Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about asthma, TB, pneumonia, sinusitis problem and its natural solution in health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how we go. First one is list of concoctions. The next one diet plan with millets. Third one essential part is exercise. Fourth one is what to avoid. Okay. First in the concoction, you have to start with turmeric powder. Okay, or turmeric bulbs, okay, or turmeric horns, whatever you may call. Okay, you have to take at least half spoon of turmeric to make concoction. Ginger, this much is enough. Okay, small part, small extension is sufficient to make concoction. Okay, next one is Ruta graveolens leaves. Okay, these leaves also you have to take 20 to 30 because the leaf size is very small. You have to take more number of leaves to make concoction. Neem leaves, take 10 to 15 to make concoction. Next one is Bermuda grass. Okay, 6 to 7 grass particles are sufficient. Next one is Indian mallow leaves. So take at least 4 to 5 of this size leaf. Okay. Next is curry leaves. Take 25 curry leaves to make concoction. Next one is heart shaped moon seed leaves. Here you have to take 4. 4 leaves sufficient because see is the leaf size. Okay. Next one is mugwort. Here take 7 to 8 leaves, small leaves. Okay. So this is the weekly schedule. First week you will go with turmeric powder or turmeric bulb. Second week ginger. Third week rota graveolens leaves. Fourth week neem leaves. Fifth week bermuda grass. Sixth week Indian mallow leaves. Seventh week curry leaves. Eighth week heart shaped moon seed leaves. Okay. Ninth week mugwort. So if you do not find any one or two of the above, you can still continue with the remaining concoctions in this order. Okay. And one more important thing is you have to take at least 45 minutes to 1 hour gap between concoction and your next meal. Okay, if you have good amount of time, take 1 hour gap. Otherwise, 45 minutes gap is essential to have your next meal. Okay, concoction you have to drink on empty stomach. Okay, that is essential. And some concoctions you may not. It is you may not be able to drink as it is. Why? Because they are not good in taste, particularly uh, neem leaves. Okay, this is very bitter in taste. That's why you add a palm jaggery. Okay, of sufficient quantity. Okay, at the end of the concoction. Once you have done with the concoction, add palm jaggery at that time. Okay, and then you can sip the concoction. Okay. Right. Next, foxtail millets. You have to eat only millets. First, foxtail millets for 2 days. Brown top millet for 2 days. Kodo millet for 1 day. Little millet for 1 day. Barnyard millet for 1 day. Okay, this is the diet plan. Eat these millets alternately for this 7 day schedule. Okay. Repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. Okay. In the concoctions also you have to repeat that sequence till you get recovered. And no rice, no bread, no wheat product, no refined wheat product. Okay, till your recovery. Use only cold pressed oils. TB patients, okay, or any severe problem, they have to take the first 9 weeks in porridge form. They have to take millets in porridge form. Anyway, we are going to cover how to make millet porridge also. So there are two methods essentially to cook millets. One is cook it just like rice. Second one making millet porridge. Okay. How to cook millets? Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on open top or in a pressure cooker. But it's better to avoid pressure cooking if you have plenty of time. Okay. Open top vessel is fine. Next is millet porridge. You have to use either granulated millet or whole millet. You have to add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cool by opening the lid. Tie the top using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down. Okay, and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours, and then you can have it. Exercise is essential. You have to walk for at least 1 hour minimum a day. Okay. TB patients, you walk only for 1 hour. Okay. Other problems, you have to increase your walking time slowly day by day. Okay. And what foods to avoid? You shouldn't consume milk, you shouldn't consume dairy products, you shouldn't consume rice, wheat products, refined oils, sugar, jaggery. If you want to have, you can have palm jaggery or dates and honey. Okay, these things you can have. Alternatives for jaggery. Wheat powder and refined wheat powder, you shouldn't consume. Tea, coffee, you shouldn't consume. All bakery products you have to avoid. All polished millets and or refined millets, that also you have to avoid. You shouldn't consume non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods and all ready-to-eat foods. Okay, these foods you should avoid. Okay, next we are going to cover how to make concoction. Okay, first you need to boil the water a little bit. Okay, once the water gets boiled, you have to uh, keep neem leaves in the boiling water. Okay, these neem leaves have to be washed thoroughly using running water. Okay, thereafter close the lid and then wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it has to be boiled in the low flame only. Okay, after 2 to 3 minutes you can switch off the stove. It just got boiled. Now you have to wait for at least 3 minutes again. Okay, after boiling, and you have to keep the lid closed only. Okay, 3 minutes is completed. Now you have to filter it using any filter. Okay, after filtering you have to drink it sip by sip. Okay, slowly you have to drink sip by sip. Okay, yeah. So this is neem leaves concoction or neem leaves kashaya. So this is how it looks. You have to take a spoon and drink it sip by sip. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.